A few minutes. Just a few minutes, you tell yourself. And you know what happens? Momentum kicks in. Suddenly, you're not just working for a few minutes, you're making real progress. The hardest part is always starting. But once you start, you break the barrier of inertia, and everything becomes more manageable. That's the power of action. Now, let's get one thing straight. This isn't about pushing yourself to the brink or working until you burn out. It's about developing a mindset where you honor your commitments to yourself. If you've decided to work toward your goals, you owe it to yourself to follow through, no matter how you feel in the moment. Here's another thing to remember. Every time you push yourself to take action, you're building a habit. You're rewiring your brain to associate action with progress, not procrastination. Over time, this habit becomes a part of who you are. It becomes second nature. Think about it. How many opportunities have you missed because you waited to feel ready? How many dreams have you let slip through your fingers because you told yourself, I'll start tomorrow? The truth is, tomorrow never comes. The only time you have is now. So today, ask yourself, which voice are you going to listen to? The one that whispers excuses and comforts, or the one that shouts with purpose and ambition? Remember, the choice you make today will determine the life you live tomorrow. Success doesn't come to those who wait for the perfect moment. It comes to those who act, who push through discomfort, and who refuse to settle for anything less than their best. So how do you start? Here's a simple framework to help you build momentum and take action, even when you don't feel like it. 1. Set clear goals. You need to know what you're working toward. Be specific. Vague goals like I want to be successful or I want to be fit won't drive you forward. Instead, try I will finish this project by Friday or I will go to the gym for 30 minutes today. Clear goals give you direction. 2. Break it down. Big goals can feel overwhelming. That's why you need to break them into smaller, manageable tasks. Want to write a book? Start with 1 page. Want to lose weight? Start with 1 workout or 1 healthy meal. Small steps build momentum. 3. Create a routine. Success is built on consistent habits. Find a time every day to work on your goals. Make it non-negotiable, like brushing your teeth. The more consistent you are, the less you'll rely on willpower. 4. Use the 5-minute rule. If you're struggling to start, commit to working for just 5 minutes. That's it. Once you begin, you'll likely keep going. Starting is the hardest part, but this trick makes it easier. 5. Celebrate small wins. Every step forward is progress. Celebrate it. Finished a task? Give yourself a pat on the back. These small rewards reinforce positive behavior and keep you motivated. 6. Embrace discomfort. Here's the hard truth: growth happens outside your comfort zone. If you're always waiting to feel comfortable, you'll never move forward. Learn to embrace the discomfort of starting. It's a sign you're growing. 7. Focus on progress, not perfection. Don't aim for perfect. Aim for progress. Perfectionism is a trap that keeps you stuck. Just showing up and putting in the effort is a win. 8. Hold yourself accountable. Share your goals with someone who will hold you accountable. Whether it's a friend, a mentor, or a coach, having someone to check in with can keep you on track. The only thing standing between you and your goals is action. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have all the answers. You just need to start. 9. Build discipline like a muscle. Discipline isn't something you're born with. It's something you develop through practice. Think of it like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Each time you choose to act, even when it's hard, you're strengthening your discipline. Over time, this makes taking action easier regardless of how you feel. 10. Visualize success. Close your eyes and imagine the life you want to create. Picture the version of yourself who achieves your dreams. What does that look like? How does it feel? Use this mental image as fuel to keep you moving forward. When you can see the reward, the effort feels worth it. 11. Cut out distractions. Distractions are the enemy of progress. Identify what's pulling you away from your goals, whether it's social media, unnecessary tasks, or negative influences, and eliminate or minimize them. Create an environment that supports your success. 12. Turn setbacks into setups. Failure isn't the end, it's part of the process. Every successful person has faced setbacks. The difference is they use failure as a learning opportunity. When things don't go as planned, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I improve? Then get back up and keep going. 13. Surround yourself with positivity. The people you spend time with influence your mindset. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire, support, and challenge you to grow. Positive energy is contagious, and it can keep you motivated even when things get tough. 14. Track your progress. Keep a record of your actions and achievements. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating. It also helps you identify patterns and areas where you can improve. Whether it's a journal, a planner, or an app, find a system that works for you. 15. Remember your why. When the going gets tough, reconnect with your purpose. Why did you set this goal in the first place? What's at stake if you don't follow through? Your why is your anchor. It keeps you grounded and focused, even in challenging times. 16. Develop a resilient mindset. Life is unpredictable, and challenges will come. But here's the truth, it's not the challenges themselves that define you, but how you respond to them. Resilience is the ability to bounce back, to adapt, and to keep moving forward no matter what. Just cultivate this mindset, and you'll find that no obstacle is insurmountable. When things get hard, and they will remind yourself of this, you faced tough times before and you got through them. You're stronger than you think. Use adversity as a stepping stone, not a roadblock. 17. Be patient, but stay persistent. Great things take time. Success doesn't happen overnight, and it's easy to get discouraged when results don't come as quickly as you'd like. But every step you take, no matter how small, is progress. Be patient with the process and persistent in your efforts. Success isn't a straight line, it's a series of ups and downs. The key is to keep going, even when the path feels unclear. Trust the work you're putting in. The results will come. 18. Stay hungry for growth. Never stop learning, growing, and improving. The moment you settle or get comfortable, you stop progressing. Stay curious. Seek out new challenges. Push your limits. The more you grow, the more capable you become of achieving even bigger dreams. 19. Give yourself grace. While discipline and hard work are essential, it's equally important to give yourself grace. You're human. You'll have off days. You'll make mistakes. And that's okay. What matters is that you don't let a bad day turn into a bad week, month, or year. Learn from your missteps, forgive yourself, and get back on track. 20. Commit to a lifelong journey. This isn't about a single goal or a temporary burst of effort. It's about creating a lifestyle of action, discipline, and growth. Success isn't a destination, it's a journey. Commit to showing up for yourself every day, no matter what. Every day is a new opportunity to take a step closer to the life you want. The small, consistent actions you take today will compound over time, creating massive results. 21. Lead by example. The journey toward your goals is not just about you. Whether you realize it or not, others are watching. Your friends, your family, your colleagues, they're all observing how you navigate challenges and pursue your dreams. When you take action, you inspire others to do the same. Be the person who shows what's possible. Let your effort and commitment serve as a living testament to the power of perseverance. Your journey might just be the spark someone else needs to begin their own. 22. Find joy in the process. It's easy to focus solely on the destination and forget to enjoy the journey. But success isn't just about the end result, it's about who you become along the way. Find joy in the small victories, in the lessons learned, and in the act of showing up every day. When you learn to love the process, the work stops feeling like a burden and starts feeling like a privilege. You're not just chasing dreams, you're living them, step by step. 23. Protect your energy. Your energy is one of your most valuable resources. Prioritize activities and habits that fuel you rather than drain you. This means getting enough sleep, eating well, exercising, and setting boundaries with people or situations that sap your focus. When you feel your best, you perform your best. Taking care of yourself isn't selfish, it's essential. 24. Adapt and evolve. As you move forward, you'll encounter new challenges, new opportunities, and new information. Be willing to adapt. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow, and that's okay. Flexibility is a strength, not a weakness. Keep your eyes on your ultimate goal, but remain open to changing your approach. Growth requires evolution, and success favors those who are willing to learn and adjust. 25. Celebrate the journey. At every stage of your journey, take time to reflect on how far you've come. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Recognizing your achievements fuels your motivation and reminds you of your capability to succeed. Gratitude amplifies momentum. Be grateful for every step forward and every lesson learned. They're all part of the masterpiece you're creating. 26. Keep your vision alive. It's easy to lose sight of your dreams when the journey gets tough. That's why you must constantly remind yourself of your vision. Write it down. Create a vision board. Speak it out loud. Keep it in your heart and mind every single day. Your vision is your compass. It guides you through distractions, challenges, and setbacks. When you feel lost or unsure, return to it. It will reignite your passion and point you back in the direction of your goals. 27. Outwork your doubts. Doubt is natural. Everyone experiences it at some point. But here's the thing, doubts don't define you, your actions do. When doubt creeps in, don't let it paralyze you. Use it as fuel to prove yourself wrong. Every time you take action in the face of doubt, you weaken its hold on you. The best way to silence self-doubt is to outwork it. Show yourself what you're capable of, one step at a time. 28. Master the art of consistency. Consistency is your greatest ally. The most successful people aren't those who make the biggest moves in a single day, but those who show up every day, no matter what. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be persistent. Even small, consistent efforts add up to monumental results over time. Make showing up a non-negotiable part of your life. 29. Give yourself permission to succeed. Sometimes the biggest barrier to success is the belief that you're not worthy of it. Let go of the guilt, fear, or limiting beliefs holding you back. You are worthy of your dreams, and you are capable of achieving them. Give yourself permission to succeed. Own your goals. Step into your power. The only limits that truly exist are the ones you place on yourself, and you have the power to break through them. 30. Be relentless in pursuit of your best self. At the end of the day, your journey isn't just about achieving external success. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. It's about pushing past your limits, breaking through barriers, and unlocking the greatness within you. Be relentless. Be unstoppable. Keep striving, not just for what you can achieve, but for who you can become in the process. The pursuit of your best self is the ultimate reward. Every action you take today is a step toward your future. Every decision, no matter how small, shapes the person you're becoming and the life you're building. So don't wait. Don't overthink. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. The time to act is now. This is your moment. Your story is unfolding, and you have the power to make it extraordinary. Be bold. Be brave. Be the person who looks back one day and says, I gave it everything I had and it was worth it. Now go. The world is waiting for you to rise, and your dreams are ready to be claimed.